Welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I achieve this everyday makeup look, stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, so here you see I already have my brows done first. Okay, so it looks like I'm just blending everything out. And we will start with the MAC primer. So I'm just applying that all over my face, on my lids. All right, now we're going in with the Huda Beauty Foundation. That is in Hot Fudge. So we'll blend that in with the foundation brush. I typically use brushes unless I am doing my concealer, blending out my concealer. And you guys will see that next. Now that I have that all blended out, I am going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. It's a multi-use concealer. It's in 148 Hazelnut. And I just get that from Walmart, or I think you can get it from like Walgreens, CVS. And I'm going to go in with a beauty blender and blend that out. After I apply it on my nose. Okay, now that we have everything pretty much blended out, we're going to go in with a brush just to blend everything seamlessly. Blend it all together. Next, we are going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder. And this is in the color Nutmeg. And I usually just pack it right under the eye there, just because so I don't crease there. After I'm done placing my setting powder where I would like it to go, I go in with the L'Oreal Longwear Shaping Stick for contour. And I usually only do my cheeks, but for the video, I did do my forehead and my nose, which I really never do the nose. We'll blend that all in. Once I think that's blended enough, I will go in with the Prime Beauty to set the contour. That way the liquid doesn't just slide around on my face. So we will set that. I usually just put a little bit of that and then blend it. And I started to wipe away the setting powder. Try to get it as good as I can. Dust everything away. And then I'll go in, blend out the nose contour as good as I can as well. Now I'm going to go in with mascara. This is Max Lash Volumizer Mascara by Dose. I got that from Ipsy. I love that mascara. It's pretty good mascara. I get the bottom and the top lashes because then I will apply my lashes. Well, eyeliner first, lashes, and we will also apply some highlighter. How I apply my lashes: I apply the Duo Lash Glue onto my lash line, let it dry a little bit, pop those babies on, and we are good to go. That's a tip for the beginners. Lastly, I blend everything together with a True Match. Thanks for watching. I hope everyone subscribes. Tune in for the next video. And we'll see you next time. Bye.